Hey everyone, I was just washing my car and I was thinking of washing my engine bay or cleaning it up inside. So, as we all do, I went down here and I pulled this tab. When I pulled it, when I came to the front, it's not working. It's not opening. Can't get in there. So I know that in here there's the little, I'll put this out with some scissors. There's a little lever to pull. Even though I'm grabbing it, it's not opening. So what I did was I got this scissors, a rock, see? It worked. With no paint damage at all. Created pressure to allow me to. There it is. Now I'm going to have to figure out why it's not working. But I got it open, so in case anyone had a similar issue like I did, there you go. That's how you get it open. Thanks for watching.